Hello, Assalamualaikum.
हेलो वालेकुम सलाम। हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम शेख आसिफ।
Walaikum Assalam.
हाउ आर यू?
How are you, bro?
यस आई एम फाइन। हाउ आर यू?
Good, good. I am also fine.
एंड हाउ इज योर ग्रैंडफादर्स हेल्थ?
Right now is recovery.
ओके
Right now is recovery. After say that, we will move to that department. I say
ओके सो
Assalamu alaikum.
नाउ ही इज इन गुड कंडीशन। वालेकुम सलाम।
Yes, yes. Right now is good condition and everything is good.
ओके अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। सो नाउ यू आर एट होम और इन द हॉस्पिटल राइट नाउ?
Right now I am in and I am in home.
ओके एंड वेयर इज योर ग्रैंडफादर? ही इज एट होम और इन द हॉस्पिटल?
Who is in hospital. It may be I take 3 to 4 days. After that, we will back to the home.
Okay, after 3 to 4 days they will discharge.
It depend upon the recovery. If it is recovery, so we will discharge it. If it is not, so we will not.
Okay, okay. Okay, Alhamdulillah, thank you.
It depends upon
So,
the recovery.
okay.
Like,
So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good evening. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman Hamdan.
Walaikum Assalam. I am fine.
Okay. And Mr. Abdurrahman, how are you? Are you there or just you joined the class only? Okay, so now there is one new student in
Yes,
our
sir.
class.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, Mr. Abdurrahman, are you there?
I am fine. And you, my brother?
Why are you not speaking?
Yes, I am available in my class.
Okay, okay, thank you. So there is one new student in our class. Her name is
Yes, I
Iram
am
Khan
available.
from Mumbai. Okay, so she is going to start the class from today.
I am present, my brother.
Okay, I listen. Thank you. So let me share the screen,
I
then we
am
are going to
present.
start. And be active in the class, okay? Be active. So we have completed the 9th chapter, which was about the pronunciation, okay? The 9th chapter was about the pronunciation, and this is the 10th chapter. 1 minute. So I have already sent the 10th chapter, which you can download and you can see, okay? One minute. So Asif bhai, from like when you are coming to the office? Tomorrow?
tomorrow,
Tomorrow?
tomorrow we will meet.
Okay. Inshallah.
Inshallah. And day after tomorrow or Sunday maybe a week PL.
Okay. One more PL. So now this document
Yeah.
is visible for everyone. Huh? This is visible.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
now
Yes.
today we are going to
Yes.
start our new chapter, which is the 10th chapter, which is about the making question sentences. Okay. So this is very important chapter, because if you are meeting with someone, you are going to talk with someone, so how you
Yes.
are going to make the question? Because if you have to ask something to other person, so we are going to learn about the everything, how you are going to make the question sentences. Okay, so let's start this chapter. What is this? Okay, so this is a introduction. Okay, so this is the introduction. Like, conversation is built on questions. Whether you are meeting someone new, ordering food, interviewing for a job, or simply making a small talk, you are constantly asking, are you free tomorrow? What is your name? Where do you live? How much does this cost? Without questions, there is no real conversations, only statement. Okay, in this chapter you will master the two main types of questions in English: yes no questions and WH questions, along with the correct word order, the right helping verbs, and the small rules that make the difference between sending like a beginner and sounding like a confident fluent speaker. Now let's read what is a question sentence. So who is going to read? Yes, Sheikh Asif, you can start reading.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
A question sentence, also called an
Interrogative sentence.
interrogative
Sentence.
sentence, is a sentence that asks for information, confirmation, or a decision. It always ends with question marks and usually begins with a help verb or a question words. Are you coming to the party? And what is your favorite subject? Did she call you yesterday? Unlike a statement, a question sentence usually reverse the normal word order. The helping verb or question word plus helping verb comes before the subject.
Okay, okay, done. Great. So now let's understand what is a question sentence. So also we are calling the question sentence as an interrogative sentence. If we are going to learn about the tenses, so you will learn there are four types of sentences. Like, first is affirmative, then second is negative, and the third is interrogative sentence, and the fourth is interrogative negative sentence. Okay, this is clear. So, like question sentence, you also can say like interrogative sentence. Okay, now this is clear for everyone, I hope. Now, types of questions.
Peter, please
Yes,
share on the screen.
you are not able to see the screen. Is it visible or not? Hello, Mr. Hamdan,
Yes, visible
Sheikh
screen.
Asif. Okay, so speak,
Yes,
it is
yes,
visible or
screen is
not.
visible.
Okay, so if someone is not able to see the screen, it means there is a network issue. Okay.
So we needed to
Now
rejoin
I'm
again. He quit the session and after
now
that
now
he
now now
rejoined the.
Yes.
now I am visible.
Okay, okay.
Let's
Okay, so now Mr. Hamdan, you can read from there like types of questions. Like, how many types of questions are there? You can start reading.
Second, types of questions. A. Yes and no questions. These questions can be answered simply with yes or no. They begin with a helping verb: am, is, are, do, does, did, have, has, had, can, could, will, etc. Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Does he speak English? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't.
Okay, what did you understand? What did you understand in this? Like, types of questions. So you have read there like two types of questions are there. Like, these questions can be answered simply with yes or no. Okay, if you are going to make the questions with the helping verb, so I hope you all are aware about the helping verb. Helping verb we already learned in the previous chapter. which is am, is, are, do, does, did. If you are going to use the helping verb to ask the question, okay, so how you will get the answer? Like, are you a student? Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I am not. So it means you are making the sentences using the helping verb. Okay. For example, is this a pen? Yes, this is a pen. It means I am making the sentences using the helping verb. So you will get the answer in yes or no. And if you are going to ask the question with the WH words, WH words, you all are aware about the WH words? What is this? Like what, where, how, when.
where,
If I'm
how.
going to ask to you, like, what is your name? How will you answer? Yes or no? Or you have to explain, like, my name is Sheikh Asif, Hamdan, Abdurrahman. So the simple, there are two types of question. First, you can make the question with the helping verb, and second, WH words. Simple. Have you all understood or not?
I
Yes,
copy,
no.
brother.
Yes.
Yes, I need interaction. Okay, I need interaction. So, Mishandan, can you make one question with the using the helping verb? Helping verb के साथ कोई एक question बनाओ. Any question it may be. Is का use करो.
Okay. Does he? Yes.
Yes, any helping verb you can use.
My name is Hamdan. What is your name? What
Yes.
is your name?
Yes, this is a WH question. I'm asking about the helping verb. Use the helping verb and make the question.
One minute.
Can I, Shafiqul?
Yes, you can. You can.
Are you using a laptop?
Yes, great. Are you using a laptop? Yes. So there are multiple sentences. First, if you are struggling to make the question, so first affirmative sentence, like, you are using laptop. So you are using laptop. Are you using a laptop? And this is a book. Is this a book? Okay, so you can make lots of sentences. Okay, just you have the idea how to make. Now WH questions. First we learn about the types of sentences, which is yes और नो क्वेश्चन. पहला हमने सीख लिया है कि यस और नो में कैसे उसको क्वेश्चन को बनाना है. सेकंड WH क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो अब्दुल रहमान, यू कैन स्टार्ट रीडिंग WH क्वेश्चंस. Yes, please start. Don't take so much time. Okay, we don't have time. Lots of time.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, brother.
Yes.
WH question. These questions ask for a specific information, name, place, time, reason, etc. वगैरह, and begin with a question word such as what, who, where, when, why, or how. What is your name? Where do you live? Why were you late?
Okay, great. Done. So WH questions. So Mr. Abdurrahman, do you understand about the WH questions? How you can make the question with the help of WH? So
Yes, brother.
can you make any one question with the WH words?
Why are you sitting in your room?
Okay, done. So
Why are
why
you
are
sitting in your
you?
room?
Yes, why are you sitting in
Sitting.
the room? Great. It means you know how you are going to make the sentences. Or what is the difference between, like, yes, if you are going to make the question with the helping verb, how you are going to get the answer? In yes or no, or in explanation?
I have to explanation answer.
In which?
When I have to give answer, I have to explain the answer.
Okay,
WH
you have
question.
to give the answer with explanation if someone is asking with WH questions, with the help of WH questions. Okay.
Okay, बरोबर.
Now next. So there are every WH questions are there. So let's read and understand the meaning and how we can use. Okay. So who is going to read this? Iram, you can start reading like question words, WH words. Like you have to read like this word,
Okay,
what,
so
then used to ask about, like
uh,
ask about a thing, action or idea, then example, what is this? So like this you have to read. Okay, this is word and why we are using it and the example. Okay, let's start.
okay, sure. Third point, question words, WH words. Word, what? Used to ask about a thing, action or idea. Example, what is this?
Yes.
Word, who? Ask about a person, subject. Example, who is calling?
Yes.
Word, who? Ask about possession, ownership. Example, whose bed is this?
Okay,
Word,
okay,
which?
1 minute.
Used
So
to ask,
1 minute. Okay.
okay.
So are you able to understand the Hindi meanings also of these words or not?
Yes,
Okay, like what means क्या होता है? So यहाँ पे पूछा है कि what is this? ये क्या है? So इसी तरह से who, what is the mean of who?
कौन?
Yes, who, कौन, like who is calling? Yes, who is calling? कौन कॉल कर रहा है? Who are you? तुम कौन हो? Okay, and whose?
किसका है?
Yes, whose means kiska. Like anything is there. Like whose keys is this? Okay, whose paper is this? Whose kiska? Okay, so it means like you are able to understand the Hindi meanings also. Okay, now continue.
Okay. Which ask about choice between options. Example, which color do you like? Word, where. Ask about a place. Example, where do you work?
Yes.
Word, when. Ask about time. When does the class start? Word, why. Ask about a reason. Example, why are you upset?
How?
Word, how. Ask about manners, conditions. Example, how do you make a tea? Word, how many. Ask about countable quantity. How many students are there? Word, how much. Ask about uncountable quantity, price. Example, how much does it cost? Word, how long. Ask about a duration. Example, how long is the movie? Word, how often. Ask about frequency. Example, how often do you exercise?
Okay, done. Great. So first, tell me, like, you all understand the meanings of all these WH words, or if you think like this is tough for me or I don't know the meaning, please ask. You all understood?
I think it is easy for me.
Okay. And rest of the students, like you all?
Yes, I have got it.
Okay, you all got it. Okay, so these are some WH words. Through using these words, you can ask the question. You can make the questions. Okay, and this is also very important. How many? If you are going to suppose you are going to ask like how many employees are there. So with the countable noun, you are going to use how many, and with uncountable, you are going to use how much.
How
Okay.
much?
Yes. So just we have to remember, and if you are going to make one question with every WH word, you are going to understand. Okay. Now this is clear for everyone, I hope. What is next? Next is helping verbs used in questions. Okay. So like there are lots of examples how you are going to use the helping verbs in questions. Like almost every English question uses a helping verb, auxiliary verb. So helping verb is also called the auxiliary verb. You don't have to be confused. Okay. And here are the groups you must know. Like helping verb groups, like am, is, are, was, were. used with the main verb ing or as the main verb itself. Like example, is she coming? Were they there? And does and do does did used with the base verb v1. It means verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ in present past and simple. In present past simple में. So do you like tea? Did he call? Okay, now a helping verb have, has and had. So used with the past participle. V3 for perfect tenses. So we are going to use all these helping verbs with the perfect tense. Like has, have, we are going to use in present perfect, and had in past perfect. Okay, like have you finished? Had they left? And can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must. Modal verbs used with base verb like V1. Like, can you help me? Should I wait? Okay. So like this, there are some helping verbs used in questions. So if you are going to read the tenses, so you will know like when we are going to use like M is R, in which tense we are using this, like M is R. Can anyone tell? किस टेंस में हम इसको यूज करेंगे?
Present continuous.
Present.
यस, इन
Helping, huh?
प्रेजेंट टेंस ना, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस में हम यूज करते हैं मोस्टली ना. और was और were कब यूज करते हैं हम?
Yes.
When we are using was, were.
Past में.
Past.
यस, ग्रेट.
Past continuous.
यस, पास्ट में हम यूज करते हैं, कॉन्टिन्यूस में यूज करते हैं. लेकिन जैसे कि वो आ रहा था, ठीक है, ही वॉज कमिंग, वो आ रहा था. अब सिंगुलर के लिए आप वॉज यूज करोगे और वर जो है वो प्लूरल के लिए यूज करोगे. सो डू और डज एंड डिड व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग दीज हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स.
Present indefinite.
यस,
Do does.
डू और डज हम प्रेजेंट इंडिफिनिट में यूज करते हैं, और डिड कब यूज करते हैं? पास्ट इंडिफिनिट में. क्या
Past
निगेटिव बना?
indefinite.
ओके, ग्रेट. एंड हैज, हैव, हैड.
Has have perfect continuous, and had past perfect continuous.
Okay, great, Mr. Abdurrahman. So I hope this is clear, and if we will start the tenses, so this will be more much clear. Okay, let's see the next. I think this is enough for today. The grammar. What do you all think? Question formation. So there are some question formation, how you are going to make the question. Okay, like question formation, yes, no question, structure. So like you are first going to use the helping verb, then subject, then base verb like V3 and ing plus object or extra info. So how you are going to make the question form? First you have to use the helping verb. Do is a helping verb. Okay, and you, this is a subject, and play, this is a verb. वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज करोगे या फिर आईएनजी फॉर्म यूज करोगे, जो भी सेंटेंस आप बनाना चाह रहे हो. सो डू यू प्ले क्रिकेट? क्या तुम क्रिकेट खेलते हो? एक सेंटेंस बन गया हमारा, डू यू प्ले क्रिकेट. और इज शी वॉचिंग टीवी, ये प्रेजेंट में बना. अब दूसरा हमारा एक कॉन्टिन्यूस में बन रहा है, इज शी वॉचिंग टीवी, क्या वो टीवी देख रही है. एंड हैव दे रीच्ड होम, क्या वो लोग घर पहुंच चुके हैं. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर. सो यू कैन कीप इन माइंड how to make the question with the using the helping verb. helping verb को यूज करके हमें क्वेश्चन कैसे बनाना है, ठीक है. So this is enough for today. We will start tomorrow from there. Okay, now let's move on our next thing, which is the article reading.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So this is the article which we are going to read. Okay. Yes, this is the article. Let me increase the size so it will be good. 125, I think. Okay. Now this is visible for everyone. This is visible for everyone. Yes, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is a news with live law, and we are going to read this news. This is related to the one amendment or one bill the government passed related to the paper leak. Okay. So, Lok Sabha passes Public Examinations Amendment Bill 2026, minimum 5-year jail for exam malpractices. Okay. So, yes, Sheikh Asif, can you read it for me? Like the Lok Sabha on Wednesday passed.
The Lok Sabha on Wednesday passed the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Amendment Bill 2026 by a voice vote, introducing a
Stricter
stricter penalty,
penalties. Yes.
penalties for examination malpractice, mandatory, mandating time bound investigation and trial, and providing for special fast track court to deal with offence under the law. The bill amendment the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2006.
Okay. Okay, done. Thank you. It was great. Yes. Next. Next article. Where is the next article? This is the end. Okay. So health. Next storyline. Okay, so from there, can you read Mr. Abdurrahman?
And it
Yes, Mr. Abdurrahman is not there.
I am available.
Okay, so can you read from
I am
there like
available.
live law is introducing?
Live Law is introducing a new feature, breaking news alerts, designed to keep our readers instantly updated on the most important judicial developments with real-time coverage
Hmm.
coverage of urgent pronouncements and orders from the Supreme Court and High Courts.
Supreme Court and High Court.
Supreme Court and High Courts. This feature ensures that critical updates reach you the moment they happen, whether it is a landmark ruling or an urgent interim order. कहाँ ले गए यार? Live laws breaking news alert will deliver concise authoritative updates right on the website, making sure you never miss a moment in India's fast moving legal landscape.
Okay, Mr. Abdurrahman, done. Thank you. Thank you so much. So you are improving, but you have to read every day, okay? Let me open one more news because I think there is some problem in this news. Delhi government says no legal action against NEET protesters. ओपन हो जाओ भाई जल्दी से. Okay, so let's read. No action against CJP protesters, Delhi government. The protection, however, shall not extend to persons having criminal antecedents as mandated in the order of Supreme Court, says the government order. So yes, Mr. Hamdan, can you read this news article from there? Like the Home Department. This is visible?
The Home Department, yes, visible.
Okay, so
The
read.
Home Department of the Delhi government on Thursday, July 30, 26, issued an order that no advised legal action will be taken against people involved in the protest against the NEET UG paper leak issue. The protection, however, shall not extend to persons having criminal antecedents as mandated in the order of
1 मिनट भाई, इनका एडवर्टीजमेंट ही आ गया बीच में. लेट मी क्लोज इट फर्स्ट. ओके, यू कैन रीड फ्रॉम देयर. द प्रोटेक्शन.
The protection, however, shall not extend to persons having criminal antecedents as mandated in the order of Hon- Honorable
Mandated in the honorable Supreme Court.
Honorable Supreme Court mentioned above. It said, citing a verdict dated July 28.
Okay, done. Thank you. Yes, so now from there, Iram, you can also read. If anyone has been arrested or detained, from there you can read.
Okay. If anyone has been arrested or detained in case related to the protest, the process of reviewing the arrest and releasing the arrested person will be undertaken expeditiously as per the order. Government of NCT of Delhi does not propose to take any further adverse action against the individual involved in the protest, and the matter shall be treated as closed without any further future proceeding on this account, the order says.
Okay. However,
Okay. However, Delhi Home Minister Ashish Chut clarified in a statement that this release will not apply to individuals who already have criminal cases registered against them or those who indulge in violence, vandalism, or any other unlawful activities under the guise of the protest. Such person will take action strictly in accordance with the law. The government fully respects the democratic right to peaceful expression, but no leniency will be shown towards those who disrupt law and order to engage in violent activities. Mr. Sood said.
okay,
The
okay,
CCP
done.
has
Yes, Iram,
said the
done.
government.
Done. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
you are reading very well. Okay, everything is good. Your pronunciation is also good. So let's understand the news. Like first, tell me. Like I think 30 to 40% you all understood the news. Okay, yes or no? 30
Yes.
to 40% you all understood the news. Let's understand the difficult word. What is difficult? So Lok Sabha passes. First news. We are going to see the first news. Okay. So this is the second. Just for it was first for reading only. We are going to see the meanings of the first news. Lok Sabha passes Public Examinations Amendment Bill 2026, minimum 5-year jail for exam malpractices. So, have you understood the this heading or not? Or there is any difficult word for you? Yes, please tell. We don't have time. If you see this is difficult word for me, please tell me. Yes.
The meaning of malpractices.
Malpractices. You are working in corporate, right? Yeah,
Wrong,
right or
wrong
not?
होना, wrong answer
Malpractice.
चीजें.
Iram is asking.
Yes, I'm asking.
You are asking about the
What is
malpractices,
you-
but I think this you can't ask because you are already working in corporate and you have already made. You
I
don't
heard
know?
the first time
Really, you don't know?
the word.
Asif bhai,
Yes.
she is asking about the
Anwar every
malpractices
time
meaning.
she know that, but she listened this first time.
Okay.
Anwar every time say that don't use that malpractices,
Okay,
and
so
everything we
malpractices.
know that.
Okay, so simple. Okay, malpractices
But
means
I
का
can
ये.
find a perfect example, like perfect meaning.
Okay, I think if someone is working in the corporate, so he is aware about this word. No need to ask. Okay, but let's see. Let's see the meaning. Okay, so इसका meaning होता है इलीगल
Oh,
तरीके से कोई काम करना, ठीक है? जैसे आपने
काम
आप
करना.
प्रोडक्शन
For
पे हो और
example,
किसी को.
Okay,
हाँ.
okay, thanks.
हाँ, बस I am using this example. If you are a production and go to that outside, to the office using a break for the lunch and all, so that is called malpractice.
मैल प्रैक्टिस. या तुमने किसी को
Okay,
बोल
thank
दिया
you.
हिलाने के लिए
Okay.
कि मेरा हिलाते रहना माउस और मैं आता हूँ वॉशरूम से.
malpractice,
मैल प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है? देखो सी.
malpractice,
मैल प्रैक्टिस केयरलेस, रॉन्ग और इलीगल बिहेवियर वाइल इन ए प्रोफेशनल जॉब. ठीक है? केयरलेस और रॉन्ग और इलीगल बिहेवियर. तुम कुछ भी गलत काम कर रहे हो, ठीक है? उसको बोलते हैं मैल प्रैक्टिसेस. कुछ भी गलत हो सकता है वो, ठीक है? उसको बोलते हैं प्रोफेशनल जॉब में, उसको बोलते हैं मैल प्रैक्टिस. समझ में आया अभी?
Okay, I understand. Okay.
Yes. So malpractices. So I hope Lok Sabha passes public examination amendment. Amendment means होता है मतलब चेंज करना. Amendment word जो है ये लॉ में बहुत ज्यादा यूज होता है, जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में संशोधन करना, और इसको बोलते हैं चेंज, अमेंडमेंट. लेट्स सी. देखो, amendment, a part that is added or a small change that is made to a piece of writing, especially to a law. किसी भी लॉ में कुछ ऐड करना, उसको हम बोलते हैं अमेंडमेंट. ठीक है?
amendment,
यस, नो, अरे कुछ बोलो तो भाई.
Yes, yes, yes.
amendment,
Yes, brother, I got it.
यस, एन एक्ट ऑफ अमेंडिंग समथिंग, कुछ जोड़ना लॉ में, उसको बोलते हैं अमेंडमेंट, संशोधन. So this is clear. Next, the Lok Sabha on Wednesday passed the public examination prevention of unfair means amendment bill 2026 by a voice vote. वॉइस वोट के जरिए से उसको पास किया गया. इंट्रोड्यूसिंग स्ट्रिक्टर पेनल्टीज. स्ट्रिक्ट मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ स्ट्रिक्टर? पहले बताओ स्ट्रिक्ट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? स्ट्रिक्ट, उसी से ये बना स्ट्रिक्टर. नहीं पता? स्ट्रिक्ट का मतलब होता है बहुत सख्त, स्ट्रॉन्ग. बोलते नहीं है आई विल पनिश यू स्ट्रिक्टली और दिस रूल इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, है ना? एंड पेनल्टी मीन्स, व्हाट इज द मीन ऑफ पेनल्टी? पेनल्टी मीन्स
जुर्माना.
जुर्माना है ना.
जुर्माना. Yes.
Punishment.
Yes, penalty means you can also say the
Penalty.
jurmana, but penalty.
सजा.
Punishment. Yes. A punishment for
Punishment.
breaking a law, rule or contract. Penalty उसको बोलते हैं कि किसी ने भी कोई भी रूल तोड़ा है तो उसको पेनल्टी देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? उसकी कुछ पेनल्टी है, सजा है. सजा तुम मान सकते हो हिंदी में सिंपल. स्ट्रिक्टर पेनल्टीज. हाँ, बहुत ही सख्त सजा फॉर एग्जामिनेशन मैल प्रैक्टिसेस, एग्जाम में मैल प्रैक्टिसेस करने के लिए. ठीक है? और मैंडेटिंग टाइम बॉन्ड इन्वेस्टिगेशंस एंड ट्रायल्स. इन्वेस्टिगेशन मतलब क्या होता है? What is the mean of investigation?
पूछताछ.
Yeah, पूछताछ.
पूछताछ.
And providing for a special fast track. So ये हमारे पीएम जी ने बात भी किया था रील में कि वी आर जस्ट कमिंग विद द फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट. फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट मीन्स लाइक उसमें आपका जो भी प्रॉब्लम होगा वो बहुत जल्दी सॉल्व होगा. ठीक है, मतलब 3 months में इसका पूरा रिजल्ट आ जाएगा. टू डील विद offenses under the law, the bill amends the Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024. एंड नेक्स्ट जो था ये न्यूज हमने देखा था, न्यूज और भी बड़ी थी बट ये पता नहीं यहाँ पे कैसे शॉर्ट हो गई है, मुझे पता नहीं चला. सो ये जो था ना, ये जो अब्दुल रहमान ने पढ़ा है, ये इस न्यूज के एप्लीकेशन या वेबसाइट से रिलेटेड था ये. ठीक है, वो न्यूज खत्म हो गई वहीं पे. लाइव लॉ जो है ये एक मतलब इनका हाई कोर्ट, सुप्रीम कोर्ट और एडवोकेट से रिलेटेड ही न्यूज डालते हैं ये. ठीक है, सो लाइव लॉ. लेट्स सी दिस न्यूज नाउ. हमने जो ये अभी पढ़ा है ना, इसको देखते हैं थोड़ा सा. द हिंदू का न्यूज है ये. सो यहाँ पे हेडिंग क्या है? व्हाट इज द हेडिंग? द एक्शन अगेंस्ट सीजेपी प्रोटेस्टर्स दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट. तो सो दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने बोला है कि नो एक्शन अगेंस्ट सीजेपी प्रोटेस्टर्स. जो सीजेपी का जो प्रोटेस्टर्स थे उनके अगेंस्ट कोई भी एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा. ठीक है, दिस इज द हेडिंग. नाउ the protection however shall not extend to persons having criminal antecedent and as mandated in the order of Supreme Court, says the government order. सिंपल क्या बोला है कि द प्रोटेक्शन, जो ये अभी बोला है कि एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा, सो उसमें ये है कि शेल नॉट एक्सटेंड टू पर्सन्स हैविंग क्रिमिनल केसेस. जिसके पास क्रिमिनल केसेस होंगे ना उनको नहीं छोड़ा जाएगा. जिसके पास क्रिमिनल केसेस नहीं है उनके ऊपर एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा. सो विच वर्ड इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू हियर? आई थिंक दिस इज द वर्ड antecedent. Let's see what is the meaning of antecedent. Having criminal and antecedent, इसका मीनिंग देखते हैं. ठीक है, antecedent. Let's see the pronunciation first.
Antecedent. Antecedent.
Antecedent क्या मीनिंग है? A thing or an event that exists or comes before another or may have influenced it. The people in somebody's family who lived a long time ago. So इसमें ये एंटीसीडेंट का मतलब होता है कि कोई भी इवेंट किसी चीज के बाद हुआ है तो उसको बोलते हैं, मतलब एक के बाद आने वाला एक. देखो, द थिंग और एन इवेंट दैट एग्जिस्ट और कम्स बिफोर अनदर. ठीक है, दूसरे के आने के बाद पहले कोई भी आता है लगातार, उसको अरे यार किधर है वो, इधर है ना, उसको बोलते हैं एंटीसीडेंट. ओके, एज मैंडेटेड इन द ऑर्डर ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट, सेज द गवर्नमेंट ऑर्डर. ठीक है, सिंपल. ओके, दीज आर प्रोटेस्टर्स. एंड द होम डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट on Thursday issued an order that no adverse legal action will be taken. Adverse का मीनिंग क्या? Adverse नहीं पता?
No.
Okay. Adverse making something difficult for somebody. बहुत ही मुश्किल.
Adverse.
एडवर्स मतलब बहुत ही खराब, बहुत ही मुश्किल, जिसको बोलते हैं नहीं है, वो है एडवर्स. दिस इज एडवर्स कंडीशन, बहुत ही खराब. एडवर्स लीगल एक्शन विल बी टेकन अगेंस्ट पीपल इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट द नीट यूजी पेपर लीक इशू. ठीक है, and next is the protection however shall not extend means, what is the meaning of extend? नहीं पता?
बढ़ाना.
हाँ बढ़ाना. yes. extend मतलब बढ़ाना. ठीक है, so extend to persons having criminal antecedents, जिसका मीनिंग हमने देख लिया. एंटीसीडेंट मतलब कि एक के बाद एक आना. as mandated मतलब जरूरी, ठीक है. In the order of Honorable Supreme Court mentioned above, it said citing a verdict dated July 28. Citing का मीनिंग होता है, क्या मीनिंग होता है? हवाला देना. साइटिंग का मीन्स है हवाला देना, ठीक है, रेफरेंस देना. लेट्स सी, देख साइट. Citation, this is citation, this is cite. So to mention something or use somebody's exact words as an example to support, ठीक है. वही हवाला देते हैं कि ये अगर किसी चीज पे बात हो रही है तो वो लॉ का हवाला देंगे कि इस अमेंडमेंट में, इस आर्टिकल में ये चीज कही गई है, ठीक है. सिंपल. Yes. So I think this is enough for today. Okay, citing. Okay. So we already done this article. So okay, Mr. Abdurrahman, what is the topic, our today's spoken topic? Please tell. What is
relationship है, I think importance of relationship.
what is our today's topic?
Importance of relationship.
Okay, so Mr. Abdurrahman, do you know what is the topic for today? Huh? Let's move on speaking part. So Mr. Abdurrahman is there or not?
I am available.
So why are you not
I am
speaking?
present.
I am asking about the topic. What is our today's topic? Yes.
I have closed my speaker because of this. I am speaking, but I have not see my microphone.
Okay. So
Speaker.
now we are able to listen to you. So what is our today's topic?
Our topic's name is role of communication relationship.
Yes. Great. So where is Mr. Hamdan? I am not able to see him. Where he is? Huh?
Maybe he was left.
Yes, Mr. Hamdan is recording something. Okay, so now we are going to start speaking the role of communication in relationship. Okay, so I think you all have enough knowledge about the topic. So let me just briefly introduce or give some information about this topic so you can also start speaking. Okay, so the role of the impact of communication in relationship. Okay, so first we have to understand the types of relationship in our life. Like there is a relationship of parents and child. There is a one relationship of teacher and students. There is one relationship of husband and wife, and there is a one relationship of manager and employee. So there are many types of relationship. You don't have to just understand the boys and girls relationship only. We are talking about the relationship. There may be any type of relationship in our life. So the impact or the role of communication in relationship. What do you think? How much the communication is important in the relationship? Because if you are in the relationship like mother versus child, so the communication plays a very vital role in the relationship, because we all have to first understand each other. Okay, like you are learning, so you have to understand the nature of your parents or your teacher or your manager or your TL every so the nature and the communication plays a very vital role in the relationship, because first we have to understand each other. If you are not going to understand the each other, so you will face lots of difficulty, because if you have to take any action, so first you have to talk. If you are going to talk in the relationship will be more stronger, and you are going to get the every problem solution in the with the communication. Okay, so the communication doesn't mean there are four types of communication. You can also talk about it. like verbal communication, like we are talking, I am speaking, you are listening. This is a verbal communication. Also, written communication. We all are chatting like anywhere on WhatsApp, Instagram. So this is also one type of communication. It means you are transferring your message to other person. And the fourth thing, which is speaking, writing, and also in body language. Suppose you are talking with someone and your body language is not good, you are speaking in angry mode, so it will affect the relationship. So you can talk about the relationship, like how many types of relationship are there, and what is communication, how the communication is going to impact on relationship, and what are the advantage, disadvantage, everything you can talk. Okay, so now I hope you got the idea how you are going to speak. So yes, let's start talking on this topic today. Yes, Sheikh Asif, you can start. Yes.
Okay. Thank you everyone.
Hello.
Today, Assalamualaikum everyone. Good evening. Today topic is related to the role of communication in relationship.
Yes.
So everyone, because that we know that how many relationship means that teacher and student and the manager, and there is a lots of
Hmm.
relation that doesn't matter that this is a relationship. We know that there is a lots of relationship. For example, like the mother and child. So mother is they very care about the children. But he is a fever and also he will take for that. So that is the one type of relationship. We know that we have a friends. So we have a friends and we have a relationship with them also. Just because we are sharing with that and we have a lots of memories when we are fun with them when we are going to the outside station out of Mumbai, out of India also. So they will be together and they will be fun and enjoy a lot. So, so I will get and so first of all, when we are going to the husband and wife, so we know that first is loyalty. Loyalty is important. We know that first is loyalty and trust. Loyalty is, for example, we know that there is a lots of people who got married, even they have a another relationship. So in this generation, we saw that, and we have a lots of friends, and they have a another affair. So that is not a good. So loyalty is most important, and even a trust. Trust is important in a relationship. If you are alive with that guy or girl, so it may be a take a problem in your life, and you will be stressed, and it may be a take a divorce maybe, and you need to be. If you have a trust, so definitely it will be worth it. If you don't have a trust, so it will be difficult for your life also. And for a friendship, when we are, I will give you one example for my friend. I for when back to 2017, I have one of my friend when we are together, and one of I don't know which one. At the time when we are a good friend. We are good, not best friend. 2017, one of the incident with me. So at the time, I purchased a bike. For example, so I have a trust issue. I can easily trust to anyone. So when he say that, कि भाई, the bill is around 2400. So I can easily pay that bill. Even I so not so that कि where we are my money is gone. कि किस में लगा the pipe and all कि where my money goes. So I don't find out the bills. Even I not told him कि how much that can you give me the bill. So that is the reason he fraud for me at that time, and he's lots of money I sent it to him. And after 1 years, I realized that there is a one incident. So there is a one incident. It is a big incident at that time. So I was realized that I need to be moved from them, and I break up with that friendship. So that is the reason when I am with anyone. So that doesn't matter if one guy is trust, if he is breaking your trust. So that doesn't matter. Everyone is the same.
Yes.
So you need to be realizing that everyone is not. You have to be know that how many people, how you treat that people, and the people how you treat you. Bas, and that's it for my side.
Okay, done. Thank you. So you also added one story that relate to the this topic, so it is also good. Okay, and everything was great. Okay, thank you for sharing the story also. Yes, Abdurrahman, you can also start speaking.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. Today I am going to speak the role of communication in relationship. Nowadays, I have seen lots of persons who has a married, but he is not satisfied with his wife. Yes, you, relationship are the most valuable part of our lives,
Hmm.
whether it is between parents and children, husband and wife, friend and teachers and students, or colleges.
Hmm.
At work, every relationship depends on powerful things. Like that, a plant can't survive without water, and a relationship cannot survive without honest and meaningful
Wow, क्या
communication.
बात है. Yes, great.
Like that, communication is not only about speaking, it is also about to listening, understanding, respecting, and caring about another person. Feeling sometimes the most meaningful communication, happiness, when we simply sit beside someone and listen with patience.
Hmm.
You can imagine a family where nobody talks to each other. Parents are busy with work, children are busy with mobile phones, and everyone eats together without saying anything, any word.
Hmm.
They bec- they live under one roof, but their hearts become strangers. This is the sad reality of many families today.
Hmm.
Like that, we can imagine a family where everyone spends just 20 minutes every day talking about their days, sharing happiness, discussing to each other's problems, and laughing together each other's.
Hmm.
Such a family becomes stronger because communication creates emotional bonds.
Hmm.
रीढ़ की हड्डी.
Yes.
Like that, communication is equally important in marriage. A successful marriage is not built by expensive gift or luxurious lifestyles. It is built by trust, honest respect, and open conversation. Couples who discuss their problems calmly can solve even the biggest challenges together, but when they stop communication, a small misunderstanding become big conflict. Thank you so much. This much only.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Abdurrahman. You spoke very well and it was great. You also used some advanced phrases. So, okay, it was great. So, I think you have read something about this topic. So, you are going to speak
Okay.
like this, okay? So, if every day you are going to read anything related to that topic, so you will improve a lot, okay? This is the thing. And if you are coming without knowing the topic, so you are not going to improve. So we have to be curious. Like this is today's topic, so let's see something about it. Let's read on the Google or through Chat GPT or from anywhere. Let's gather some knowledge, some information, or you can also add the relatable story It is also effective way. Okay, and great. Thank you. So
Thank you so much.
yes. So okay, okay. ओ देख भाई छोड़ के भाग गया इतना जल्दी. Okay, so Iram is there. This is the first day. So usually, like if any student is there, this is the first day. So we are going to just ask the introduction. So can you introduce about yourself? Like first, I'm also going to give my introduction. So you are going to get some idea like how I have to introduce myself and what are the pointers. And I think no need to give my introduction because you already have qualified one interview and you are working. Okay. So hello, good evening. So my name is Shafiqur Rahman and I am from UP, Siddharth Nagar. But currently I am living in Mumbai and I am working. So if I talk about my educational qualification, so I have done my graduation and master degree from Aligarh Muslim University and I have done my 10th and 12th from UP Madrasa Board. And apart from this, I also have done some extra certifications like computer diploma, Urdu and Arabic diploma, and digital marketing certifications, and about spoken language, some certifications I have done also. So after completing my master's degree, I just started searching for the job. Then I have given lots of interviews. Then I have also got the job in Accenture, and from 2024 August, I have been working in Accenture. Like it is going to be at almost 2 years. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I would like to create the videos and yes, all these things about myself. This is enough for today, I think. So yes, Iram, also you can start giving your introduction. Okay, you don't have to you don't have to be fair. Like there is no one who is going to listen. We are here to learn, to improve our spoken English. So you can start giving the introduction. Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you, Shafiq.
Yes.
Hello, everyone.
And please be
Actually, I'm
louder.
Fatima.
Keep your voice loud
Okay,
because we are not able to
okay,
listen.
okay, okay.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. I
Yes.
am Haniram. You can call me Iram.
Okay.
I am in my early 20s and I live in Mumbai. And I have done my HSC from Maharashtra College, Mumbai University. I have recently done my bachelor's degree in commerce, and I have a passion for reading books and novels and watching action movies and painting and sketching. And in 2025, I got my first job in Accenture, and yeah, that's enough.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, thank you. But it was good. It was great. Like you have given your introduction, and okay, fantastic. I hope your English is good. You can improve more. So, can you tell me the reason why do you want to improve your English?
Um, because it's a corporate job, so I can speak fluent English and I talk lots of people. So hello.
Okay, so like you need some increment or you want to succeed in your career because of this you are learning
Yes.
and
Yes.
you
He did a level
also
12, so that is the reason he is here.
okay and also you want to become a manager in the company.
Yes, inshallah.
Okay. So Asif bhai, I think her
इसकी
English is also
जनाजा
good. Her
हाँ
English is
जनाजा
also
उठेगा
good.
इसका जनाजा उठेगा और क्या
Advanced खूप better.
what
So
Safiqo say that what do you say that Safiqo
I am saying like
Safiqo what do you say
Iram English is also
What?
good. She can teach
What?
us.
yes she can
Yes,
but
She's
she
she is
not.
a smart girl na, so that is the reason she learned from us, but she never explained her experience.
Hmm.
Oh my god.
Because she is reading the article in a way like I just amazed.
Yes.
Like everything is clear.
Yes, yes. She's she say that he read that the article or something.
Yes.
Poetry, sorry, poetry. She read every day.
Oh.
So that is the reason is.
So this is a
I
secret.
remember.
This is a secret. Sorry for that. I
But she
do
didn't
this.
told us like you can also start reading so you are going to improve.
She is a clever girl, na? That is the reason.
She is a
She is a.
clever girl. Yes, you are right.
I was saying, oh,
Hmm.
why are you so laughing?
Okay.
She is
So
a very smart girl. She is from Mumra, na? So that is the reason. There's a lot. They are
And
very
you are
clever
from
girl.
Bandra.
Mumraz people are very
Bandra, there's
clever.
Bandra. Bandra people. They have a very lovely people. They will easily help to anyone.
Oh
Ah.
god.
Yes. So, Iram, if your English is good and you are speaking in a such a way, like there is no one. So, why you didn't recommended us like you can also do all these activities?
But I think I'm not a fluent English. Like my English is weak. I
But you
can't
are
read.
fluent. Okay, you are fluent. Okay.
I
So,
can
Iram.
read fluent, but I can't
After
speak.
1 month, listen, Iram, listen. After 1 month, you can know that how can I speak, right? When the topic is related to the role of relationship.
I hope.
Yes. So, like,
So in a 1 month, when you are what Shafiqu say that if you are recording that video 5 minutes and every day you will join the session, so definitely 1 month. After the 1 month, you will speak very well.
yes.
Inshallah. Before Shafiq, you are my mentor.
Oh, I in
Yes,
office,
Asif is his mentor.
oh, I say,
Uh, okay, great.
सब कुछ she need everything, सब कुछ चाहिए.
Hmm.
Yes, of course.
So, Asif
After,
bhai, listen. So I said to him like I am giving the 15 days observation period, 15 days free. So she said you are my colleague. So give me extra 1 month.
No,
So I have given the free classes for 1 month.
I told you that na, कि she is a clever girl.
Yes, she
oh,
is a clever. But
I
She is
told
a
you.
clever
You
girl.
don't
Na?
say, you don't say
okay,
anything
so done,
about
done.
anyone.
Thank you, thank you. So Aram, you are going to. I think she
Uh,
joined as a student, but I can invite him as a guest also in the class to give the lecture.
No, I think after 2 months,
Okay, after 2 months.
when
So
I
there is no Iram
improve my
Rizvi
English,
is not available
after
there.
2 years. आफ्टर टू हाँ इधर रिजवी नहीं है सोच रहती तो फिर खत्म थी
खत्म था इनका सब.
खत्म भाई बट शी इज learning the law now so she know that how to be speak that
Yes, yes.
so
She has.
she need a work from her
She has
there
lots
so
of
that is
knowledge.
the reason he's
Hmm.
have lots of knowledge yaar. And it is a perfect when he say that
Yes, because she is
that is
becoming a
nice.
lawyer
excellent
and she is improving her English because he has to debate and to present his client in the court.
Yeah, I
maybe
know.
chalo guys that's it chalo for the reason
Okay,
I needed
that's
to
it.
sleep I
Yes.
wake up
So
at 4 a.m.
Iram, can you just
Okay,
tell
man.
how the class is? Like you like it or no?
Hello
Because
Shafiqul
maybe
Yes.
because of you and Mr. Asif also.
अच्छा, ये हमारी
okay
और आसिफ भाई की वजह से क्लास को अच्छा लग रहा है इसको. अरे एक्टिविटी बताओ जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं
Yeah,
वो सही है कि नहीं?
mm, I think some points are improving. Like,
चलो ठीक है
अबे
इम्प्रूवमेंट
भाई
हो
इसकी
जाएगा तू कर
आवाज
रहे हो
ही सुनाई
करो,
नहीं
हो
दे रही
जाएगा।
है मुझे। आई एम नॉट एबल टू लिसन हर वॉइस।
हेलो
जाओ तुम खाना खा लो, खाना खा के सो जाओ, ठीक है? आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हेलो शफीकुर,
हाँ।
हेलो शफीकुर,
यस।
हेलो हेलो
यस।
हाँ इरम को ना क्यूआर